Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Today we have got a 2007 Audi RS4 and we have changed the radio for a nice KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. Now let me show you inside. Right, so we're now sat inside. This is a wireless Apple CarPlay unit and it has got Android Auto. It's got DAB built in and it has got the FM radio, Bluetooth streaming, so you can pair your phone in there. The microphone is just up there at the top. DAB antenna is just there in the corner, very nice and neat. Should you want to change your radio in your Audi, please don't hesitate to give the experts at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Alternatively, email us at sales@sourcesounds.com. This has also got the facility to add a reverse camera should you wish, and we've managed to retain the steering wheel controls as well. Thank you for watching. I was Nath.